Pelco was family founded in 1985. Basically started with the Astrobrac, our core product line today, and from that point it grew. It grew with the premise of innovation, quality, and service. We had Phil Pardoon, who was the founder, and his son Steve had a really good idea, and they grew that by listening to the customers, and it went from one product to being revolutionary in different types of mounting applications.
Pelco started as a family-owned company 40 years ago with about 5 employees. It's just had tremendous growth. We now have 225 employees, multiple facilities, companies in Canada and Idaho. We're looking forward to where we go from here.
The industry? Well, so for me, I would go broad picture, right? Infrastructure. Yes, we predominantly serve intersections and how traffic flows. But I think overall, if you look at public infrastructure, that's the big bucket that we play in. And just the renewal and the growth and how machine learning and artificial intelligence, even the green movement is starting to have an impact on our industry. There's amazing potential for a company like Pelco.
Our industry is predominantly traffic signal hardware. And this is one of the things where Pelco really shines, because while we do have competitors out in the industry, Pelco offers a full service. We have all the different products that it takes to fulfill an intersection. And pretty much everything around that intersection, you see it, Pelco makes it or can make it. We make everything that attaches the lights, the signs, the push buttons, pretty much a full one-stop shop. They can come to us and get it all.
Think of the bigger picture. We help people that can't see to cross the road. We help the flow of traffic with some of our products to reduce emissions. And so the cause that we have is much bigger than the individual components that we supply to our customers that they just install as hardware in an intersection. We help society operate more efficiently. And I think that's pretty cool to be part of that as a solution.
Today, right now, is the most exciting time in the history of Pelco. Over the last few years, we have more than doubled in size. We've had tremendous growth. We've brought on all kinds of new talent, new processes, really a new vision, and we're thinking very, very big. We're not thinking, let's just status quo, organically grow this year and next year. And what we're just scratching the surface. We have not realized our full potential yet. Not even close to realizing our full potential yet. We're just getting started.
The traffic industry has changed so much over the last 30 years. Pelco was a great company 30 years ago, but we're even better today. We have improved the quality and innovation of the products we deliver and expanded our product offerings to meet our customers' needs.
But beyond that, to grow this business as the market is growing, and also to add new products and sophistication to the type of products and the solutions that we provide to the infrastructure market that we play in. Because ultimately, we're in the business to serve our customers better and all the stakeholders that are involved with the business. And so we've made 2 acquisitions over the last year. That's all part of the building blocks that we're putting together to scale our business and to take it to the next level. Not just revenue-wise, but also how we can serve the market better, right? Through the acquisition of technology that we did not have in our portfolio in the past.
Novax was our partner in developing the IntelliCross, which is one of our push buttons. So once again, this just added to the wealth of offerings that we have to give to our customers.
With Traffic Calm, we've had a variety of products in the market that would be classified as pedestrian safety and pedestrian crossing. For the past 5 years or so, we've asked ourselves, what can we do to further expand that product line? And we've worked with Traffic Calm for a long time, had our partnership with Novax, and the products that they currently manufacture are a perfect marriage to the products that we make here at Pelco.
What's very important to me is as we grow, we build this the right way. It's very important to me that we bring in the right people, not just the right expert, but the right person that not only fits culturally within inside these walls, but also completely understands our market, completely understands our customers, and can relate to our customers.
Pelco really has a very strong family feel to it. We do have an employee that's been here over 35 years, and I think was one of the original 5. If not, they came in the next day. So most of the people here, I would say, are over 10 years. that helps you retain some of those cultures and core beliefs that we had way back when.
We continue to look for people that want to work, that want to drive a business forward, that want to come in and make a difference. And that's been a challenge to find. And as we grow, we want to bring in people that are excited to work, to challenge themselves, to make this place better.
We want employees that are going to fit with our culture and that are going to share the ideals and goals that we have here.
By far, my favorite thing about working at Pelco are the people. I mean, that's really what brought me here. You could just tell the culture. You could just tell that people were happy to be here, that people were empowered when they were here.
Ultimately, at the end of the day, what makes one company different from another? It's the people that work there. And if you take two competitors, you can buy the computers, you can buy the desks, you can buy the machines, but it's really the vibe or the culture that makes one company fun to work at and another one not. Pelco has that secret sauce.
The connection between engineering and the production floor is very tight, but the connection between managers and employees is even tighter. Every day is full of hugs, laughs. We talk about our challenges, we talk about our opportunities, but everybody is fully engaged, lots of smiles, and are driven to meet the end goal.
I love when customers come and visit Pelco because I think it is eye-opening. I think when they see our culture and they see all of the Pelco people gathered at a round table, focusing all their efforts on trying to produce something that can best serve their very specific needs, I think it's eye-opening, and I love when customers come to visit.
It all comes back to innovation, quality of service. Really, to be a great company, you have to have all three, and I think that's what separates us from anyone else. We have a culture here that will take an idea, and we are very innovative in how we design. And what makes us innovative is not just the technology behind what goes into a design, but we're excellent at listening to a customer and knowing what the market is asking for, but also have the foresight to see what the market needs.
Pelco 30 years ago was best in class, and as the industry has evolved, we have steadily maintained and led the industry with innovative products and quality products that maintain our best of class status.
Pelco is one of the best in the nation at building and making products and taking what customers' needs are and developing those into an end product that they can use on the streets. We are constantly seeking to put out new products that will innovate the marketplace and make everything safer for people, but also better for customer installation and as they put things up and how they do that and how they put all that together. We're always looking for how we do it better.
But that doesn't work unless you have the quality. And the quality is not just, is this part made exactly right? It's the people and the processes that go behind it. And then the service, that's really our secret sauce. That's what separates us.
We have a huge impact with customer service. It's a top priority for Pelco, and I think that's evidenced by our repeat customers and long-term customers and employees.
We have a very dedicated service department with relationships with our customers that go back decades.
It's part of our identity.
What separates us from everyone else in the market is our customer service. We have very strong personal along with business relationships with all of our customers. And that's where we come up with our innovation. That's where we know what do our customers need and what do they want.
I truly believe the best part of Pelco is our willingness to accommodate any request from our customers. The extensive product offering that we have here at Pelco Products allows our customers to not only know that they can get large volumes of day-to-day product that they know that they're going to have a demand for, but when they need something unique, they know that they can come to us. We'll design it from scratch or we'll piece it together from things we offer and we'll get it to them with a quick turnaround.
To maintain the innovative status that we have in the market, Pelco is well poised with its engineering staff, the new product ideas we have in queue, and the ability to produce those products is still leading the industry today.
One of the things that I was told very early on when I got here was that if we don't give that quality that is expected, things that literally can fall out of the sky.
As we go through the manufacturing and the design of product, safety and reliability is the #1 most important feature that we do design into every product. And we're very proud of our safety record. On top of that, the traffic home business that just joined our family, they're in the ped safety business. That is what they do. It's the flashers in front of school zones, in front of hospitals. Their product literally is designed to get the pedestrian from one side to the other without accident or injury.
Here at Pelco, we might talk a lot about delivering product to distributors, but we all know what the real goal is. The real goal is to keep public safety number one. There's 1 million cars driving underneath our products today on the road, and we are very proud of that.
When you drive home from work at night and you drive through an intersection, you see the traffic signal, you see the cameras and everything mounted, you know that's our product holding that up. We take great pride in knowing that that product that we manufactured helps keep the public safe. Over the last 10 years, Pelco has tripled in size. Over the last 2 years, we've doubled in size. Part of that is organic growth, but the other part of it is the addition of 2 companies through acquisitions, Novax Industry and Traffic-Com. When all that comes together, there's some growing pains. So we've implemented a new ERP system that is up and running, and it will provide all the tools and data to be able to help us scale and grow into the future. So with all the outside expertise we brought in, coupled with a new system to help support that, we built a foundation to be able to not only support the customer needs today, but to be able to support the future growth that's expected.
We can't get things out fast enough because that's the right problem to have, right? I mean, that's what everybody wants, to be busy. But with some growth, you have to do things a little differently. You have to become much more efficient. You got to get it out the door. With growth comes change, and we've had to adapt to that a little bit.
With our growth in organization and our size, we continue to face challenges. To go from here to this level up here, we continue to work through those issues and manage that process where we are changing and adapting to making ourselves a larger, better company, but in the end to make it better for our customers and provide better customer service.
Some of the growing pains that Pelco is experiencing is just organic growth, record incoming sales. Couple that with transitions of buying companies and changing the MRP systems has really put a challenge for us. I mean, the opportunities are there for greatness, and we are working through that to get there.
Our paradigm, our expectations for Pelco, the type of company we want to be, has dramatically changed over the last few years. As we grow, we look to continue to add other companies and other product offerings through more acquisitions, through more innovative designs, to become a bigger piece of the pie and more of a one-stop shop for all customer needs.
Being a one-stop shop is very unique in this industry and extremely valuable to our distributors. They know they can come to Pelco, and more than likely we have what they need.
All great businesses, for me, have 3 main ingredients. They have great people, they have great brands, and they have great products. Pelco's got that. And if you look at infrastructure spending right now, it's off the charts. And I think that's why Pelco and other businesses in this industry, we can't keep up right now. What a great challenge to have.
I feel very confident that our current product offering and our future product offering of new developments will be there to answer the call when that demand presents itself.
To be such a major player in the market, not just in the space that we play in today, but the different parts of the market and the bigger piece of the pie that we will be going after in the future is very exciting.
But there's so much more to come. And I'm so confident in the team that we have, the products that we have in the pipeline, and just the acquisitions that we've made too, that we've made the right decisions in terms of growing this business, adding to this business for the foreseeable future so that we can even serve our customers way better than we have had in the past.
As we look at the company that we've created today, and as we work for synergies and integration, the next step, the next evolution is to look what else in the market is out there that we would like to come join the Pelco family to make the brand even stronger. Pelco would not be who we are and where we are today without our customers. So I want to say a big thank you to everyone who has been with us since 1985, since the inception of the company. You've been such a huge part of us, not only from a business perspective, but also as friends. There are many people out there that are close personal friends because of our business relationship, and that's invaluable.